Welcome back to the eIFUApp tutorial series. In this segment, we'll guide you on adding a new document to your collection. Let's get started. To initiate the process, there are two convenient options. You can either click on the menu item New under the Documents section on the left sidebar, or simply hit the Add New button on the right. Once you've chosen your preferred method, you'll find yourself on the New Document form. Here, it's crucial to fill out all the required fields marked with an asterisk. Additionally, there are some optional fields. Keep in mind that the Audience and Business Units fields will depend on your license and settings. Pay close attention to the Regions and Languages drop-downs. Ensure they are set correctly in the general settings. Select the appropriate file type. eIFU is the default option. For fields with multiple options, remember to enter the item and then hit Enter. Lastly, upload the file, and once you've completed all the necessary information, click on the Save button. This action will create the document record and automatically reload the page for your convenience. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new document to your eIFUApp. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. eIFUApp is a brand of Pangea Holdings. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more eIFUApp tutorials. Have a great day.